You are Gimbara?
What?
You are Gimbara?
What does that mean?
Gimbar means like your face is too long. You have hair over here too, or your hair is over here?
No.
Where is your hair?
It's here.
Can you show us?
No.
በቃ ሁላችሁም ሄዱና እሷ ጋር መላጣ እያላችሁ ጻፉ። ሁላችሁም ሄዱና መላጣ ብላችሁ ጻፉ። My family gonna come to your house and they write something. It says melata.
Why? Why they want to come to my house?
Because I sent them.
No, don't send them. Else I'm gonna cheat on you.
You want to cheat on me?
Yes, I'm gonna cheat on you.
You can do it now. You can do it now. You can do it now. Cheat on me. Check out some beautiful guy and you can go with him.
I will. I will.
You want to go with him?
Yes.
It means you don't love me.
I do love
A lot of husbands.
I have 25 husbands.
Okay, can you say okay, Pastor?
Okay, Pastor.
Yeah. Chilalo Food Complex.
Kilala Food Complex.
Yes. Can you say Burse Andenya?
Burse Andenya.
Yeah. Can you say and million sitot?
And Emilia Sitot.
Yeah. Okay, pasta. Okay, noodles. እንዲሁም ደግሞ የጭላሎ ፉድ ኮምፕሌክስ ምርቶች የሆኑትን ሁሉንም ተጠቀሙ። ጭላሎ ፉድ ኮምፕሌክስ ላይ የምናስተዋውቃለን እንጂ አንተው like in my country some company have some challenge. I think if I get a lot of viewers, if I get a lot of like, if I get a lot of comments and coupling and shares, and then they will give me 1 million Ethiopian birr.